A chemical engineering degree is valuable to offer change. Tomorrow, everything will change over and over again. Life will be different than it is today. To confirm the engineering grand challenges that face society in 21st century, we engineers will lead initiative that solves the world's most perplexing problem. Let's take a look at solar energy. Clean, sustainable, free, and it is a mighty resource. In 1 hour, the solar energy received on Earth could support global energy needs for an entire year.
If we look into the energy landscape, we have renewables like solar, wind, and geothermal, which are completely clean. On the other hand, we have fossil fuels to produce electricity for our energy needs. The biggest challenge is how can we make fossil fuel clean and bridge the gap.
Combustion of fossil fuel causes carbon dioxide to accumulate in the atmosphere, which is implicating global warming. Carbon sequestration uses engineering process to re-inject carbon dioxide safely into the earth, protecting atmosphere.
Consumers hub. Today as consumers we want to store and use energy and power anywhere, anytime. How polymers can enable flexible batteries, and if we are successful, these could be incorporated into flexible tablets, flexible phones, even clothing.
Nitrogen emissions from fuel combustion produce nitrogen oxide that contributes to acid rain and global warming. How can we improve combustion processes to reduce nitrogen oxide? One approach is to avoid combustion altogether. People want to have car that is fast, have long driving range, and above all considering environment issues as greenhouse gas emission. That eco is available today, that is fuel cell. But researches are still going on to reduce the cost of this technology so that it is accessible and is in the reach of everyone. Water. Although the 70% of the earth is covered by it, but only 2.5% of our world water supply is fresh.
Clean water is important issue not in underdeveloped countries but also in developed ones. In several places where drought is prominent, to purify wastewater into the pure water.
Industrial facilities use a huge amount of fresh water. To reduce the usage of fresh water, we would need to come up with newer technologies that are technically sound and environment friendly.
Healthcare engineering is at the dichotomy where engineering meets medicine and especially chemical engineering meets medicine and medical professionals. So I am quite passionate not only for itself but also for the application of chemical engineering in the areas that have quite a good amount of societal benefits.
Chemical engineers contribute a lot towards healthcare industry. We develop things like vaccine, pharmaceuticals and medical equipment that people everywhere depend on.
In order to move beyond that is really required some major new innovation, probably things that maybe we haven't even thought of yet.
Well, there will always be resistance to change, but it's our duty as chemical engineer to hopefully make that changes easier and more accepting.
All these resources should be properly balanced. That is, you just cannot lay a bet on a particular resources. Rather, you should have a proper balanced portfolio of these resources all the time.
Chemical engineering education is well suited for solving the problems of.
Go ahead, make your marks and choose chemical engineering.